Hello, my name is Ling Reason. I represent my group to explain the assignment of computer architecture. This is the expression we have created. Now I will start to do the postfix notation of this expression. Okay, we do the first part. Before do the addition and subtraction, we must do the multiply and divide first. So multiply move to behind and do the behind bracket. C plus divide move to behind. Now we can do the addition inside this bracket. CDE. Okay, now we can combine it. Okay, now my part 1 is done. I give it a color. Okay, now I do the second part. Okay, we do the division and multiplication. Multiply move to behind and the minus remain ij slash. Now we can do the addition. FGH multiply plus ij slash minus. Okay, now my second part also done. We give it another color. Okay, now I do the part 3. Okay, we do the bracket inside. Multiply move to behind minus and remain. Then we move the minus to behind. Okay, now we can do the division. So KLN multiply N minus divide and plus O remain. Okay, now move the addition to behind. The third part also done. Give it another color. Okay, now I do the part 4. Okay, this also almost same with the second part. Do the multiplication, then do the addition and subtraction. Give it another color. Okay, now I do the last part. Okay, this we do the multiplication inside these two brackets. Slash wx multiply plus y remain. Okay, now I do the division between this uv and wx. So equal uv multiply wx multiply divide, then plus y remain. Okay, now I do the final uv multiply wx multiply divide y, the addition move to behind. Okay, now the last part also done. Give it another color. Okay, after we do this, we do the final postfix notation. Now I copy this color expression to here. Okay, multiply this. Okay, then plus. After then, divide. Then the last part is minus. Okay, here also same, do the multiplication and division first. So the first is copy this, then combine with the second part. Then the multiplication move to behind. Okay, now the first multiplication is done. Okay, plus. Here we need to do the division first. So copy this. Then combine with the PQR. Then the division move to behind. And this I remain first. We do another equal. Okay, now I combine all of this. So I copy this and add this. Then the addition at here. Okay, then the last part, the minus move to behind. Okay, so this is the final answer of postfix notation of this expression. Now I will start to do the step diagram. To do the step diagram, we need to use the zero address of the expression to do. So first, push A, we put at the first floor. After that, push B. So here we push B and the A remain. Then multiply. Multiply means A multiply B. The first floor multiply the second floor. After multiply, push C, D, and E. So we copy this. Push C, push D, and push E. So the lower floor we just copy. After push E, divide. So we use D and divide the E. Then the lower floor still remain. After divide, do addition. So C plus D divide E. Then the A multiply B still remain. After addition, do the division again. So A multiply B divide C plus D divide E. So we give it a bracket. A multiply B divide C plus D divide E. After this, push F, G, and H. So this we copy. Push F, push G, and push H. Okay, the push H is the new. After that, multiply. So G multiply H. And the lower floor still remain. After multiply, do addition. So F plus G multiply H. And this still remain. After addition, push I and push J. So we copy this to here. Push I and push J. So this we copy and paste here. After push I and push J, divide. So these two lower floors still remain. And I divide J. After divide, subtract. So the first floor still remain. And F plus G multiply H, subtraction, I divide J. After subtraction, multiply the first floor with the second floor. So this I give it a square bracket as a big bracket. Multiply. So here I give it a bracket. Okay, after multiply, push K, push L, and push M. So this we copy and paste here. Then push K, L, and M. So here push K, push L, and push M. After push M, multiply. So L multiply M. The two lower floors still remain. So L multiply M. After multiply, push N. So here we push N. And the 3 copy to here. After push N, subtraction. So this we copy. Copy until the third floor. Then subtraction. So L multiply M, subtract M. After subtraction, divide. So K divide, we give it a bracket. L multiply M minus N. After divide, push O. So here we push O. These two we copy. After push O, do addition. So this we copy. Plus O. After do addition, push P, Q, and R. So here push P, push Q, and here push R. So here we copy. After push R, multiply. Multiply means Q multiply with R, and the P still remain. The other also remain. After multiply, subtraction. So subtraction means P minus Q multiply R. So here we copy P subtraction Q multiply R. After subtraction, push S and push T. So here we push S, here we push T. Then divide. So S divide T. After divide, addition. So addition means P minus Q multiply R, then add S divide T. Plus S divide T. After divide, do addition again. So the second floor add with the third floor. So this I give it a square bracket as a big bracket. Then divide. I give it a bracket. Then copy this. After divide, we do addition. So the first floor add with the second floor. So this we copy and plus. Give it a bigger area. Okay, now it's only one floor. After do division, we push U and push V. So this we copy to here, and push U and push V. So these two we copy and paste here. After push V, multiply. That means U multiply V. Then we push W and push X. Push W, here push X. So this we copy and paste here. After push X, we do multiply. So that means W multiply with X. Then the two floor still remain. Then do division. So that means the second floor divide the third floor. So I give it a bracket. U multiply V divide W multiply X. So after divide, we push Y. So here we push Y at the third floor. push y, this we copy. After push y, addition, where I copy the format. Then addition means the second floor plus y, and here become blank. So after addition, we do subtraction. That means the first floor subtract with the second floor. So we copy this, paste it here, and I copy the content at second floor. Then do subtractions. So minus, I give it a square bracket, then paste the content. Okay, here I give it a bigger font to see clearly. Okay, after this we pop z. So this is the final answer. We just add the z equal. Okay, so that's all for the stack diagram.